Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Havelock is a charming village located in Peterborough County, Ontario, along Highway 7, approximately halfway between Toronto and Ottawa. The village was incorporated in 1892 and named after British General Sir Henry Havelock. The arrival of the Ontario and Quebec Railway, which later became part of the Canadian Pacific Railway in 1884, played a significant role in Havelock's development. The railway connected Toronto with Perth and served as a passenger route to Ottawa, establishing Havelock as an important railway town. Today, Havelock is part of the township of Havelock-Belmont-Methuen, a rural community known for its abundance of lakes and rivers, offering recreational opportunities in all 4 seasons.
Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching!